Anna.
Family adventure team. What do you have
I
there?
have a pink microwave.
A big microwave. Oh wow! Look at this.
Look at the back, like this little girl.
Oh yeah, like that little girl in the back. She's playing with her microwave.
With her mommy.
It's a microwave from the brand Just Like Home.
I want to show you something. Look.
It has buttons. Oh wow!
That's the chicken.
So let's see. It has 10 pieces.
So you can make something.
So we can cook some food. Yeah, it has a
So-
roasted chicken inside.
So let's start opening.
Alright,
So let's open it.
let's open it.
So this.
Open it. Here's the food. This looks. Whoa, the giant. So let's take a this. I'm gonna take these foods out. Well, why are you doing that, okay?
Okay.
I know how to open food.
Oh wow, what's that? That's a croissant.
The meat.
That's a bone.
The meat.
The meat.
And some lettuce, tomato.
Lettuce and tomato. Do you have some cheese there?
Oh, yeah.
And what else you have there?
Meat.
And you have a hot dog by any chance?
No.
No hot dog.
Oh, yes, right here.
Oh, there's a hot dog.
What's this?
That's a croissant.
Wilson. And where?
You have the bun. And you have what? Meat, lettuce, tomato, cheese.
Oh, we don't have tomato.
No, no tomato?
Tomato, mommy?
Yeah, I think you have
Where are
two
tomatoes?
slices of tomatoes.
Two slices and two slices of the lettuce.
Very nice. That's super nice.
Anna, look. What is this? This is a chicken.
I want to make a chicken. I want to make some of these.
You want to make a hamburger?
Yes, I want
So let's see. We need the bread.
bread. Where's bread?
This is the bread.
Look at this.
That's the meat, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese.
And then the button. Oh, help me fit.
Alright.
Help me, help me.
Let's.
I'm gonna see how it turns.
Alright. Let's put the cheese first so it doesn't fall out. There we go. Let's put it in the microwave and get it nice and warm and toasty.
Almost broke. Fell. It fell.
Oh, it slid out.
It keeps falling.
Keeps falling, I
I
know.
will just come out.
That's a hot dog.
I can get out. Look.
Very nice.
Sure.
Wow, that's a cheeseburger. Only the bread and the meat and cheese. That's a cheeseburger.
Although that don't fall either.
Let me see how you do it. Let me see how you press the buttons.
Hey, could you put my burger in here?
The burger's in there.
Very nice. They have it's lighting up inside.
If I can see.
They have also
Oh
the
no, it
different
fell.
ones.
Alright,
Ah, it's ready.
put it inside the bowl for mommy so I can have my dinner.
Let me fix it and then I will get it. And
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
First,
Cheese, yes, good idea.
and the meat.
Alright, that's for me for dinner.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Anna. I'm so hungry. Let me taste this.
Maybe make some chicken for you, Daddy.
Good idea.
We'll take some. We'll take some. I'm gonna
Yummy.
make something for you.
Cheeseburger was so yummy.
This is from Daddy.
You can put Daddy's chicken in there.
Oh, thank you. Burger right gonna be right here. Daddy, your burger, this is almost finished. And you have a timer. Done.
It's done.
It's all ready. What is Daddy gonna have? Roast chicken and a croissant?
Here, Daddy.
Well, you can warm the croissant for him too, and he can have the
Oh,
croissant with the chicken.
chicken. Very nice. Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum. This is so yummy.
Look.
Is everybody's tummy full?
Yeah, so and I'm gonna eat now.
Daddy had a roast chicken with croissant.
What can we eat?
And mommy had a hamburger. And now Anna's gonna have a veggie hot dog.
I like veggie hot dog.
Yes.
All right, Anna. So what you have to say to the other kids?
Oh, bye.
Don't forget.
Like this video and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for one or more Anna Venture Team videos.
Thank you, mi amor.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Very nice.
Okay, bye-bye. Don't forget to see his videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. Anna, thumbs up.